Tuesday, November 28, 2023. Focus. Some were speaking of the temple, how it was adorned with noble stones. Luke 21, verse 5. It is normal tendency to get distracted by or taken with the inessentials. On a tour of Israel, I saw the Western Wall, all that is left of the Jewish temple that the disciples were so admiring. Christ warned them that the temple would be destroyed. Nothing worldly lasts, and even the world itself must end one day. So we should set our hearts only on what will last forever and see that we are never led astray. Daniel proved that the superiority of God in the heaven who reveals mysteries by showing he has already knew what the king has dreamt. In his impressive dream interpretations, there was a stone cut out by no human hand that will destroy all the four kingdoms represented in the statue. Remember the stone that the builders rejected mentioned by Jesus. Everyone who falls on that stone will be broken to pieces, and when it falls on anyone, it will crush him. It is only the kingdom of Christ that will last forever. No need to look for the signs of the end times. We just need to set our hearts steadfastly on Christ and everything related to his kingdom. Fruits. Let me give up any adornment that I value or cling to more than to Christ's kingdom, perhaps material goods or prejudices or even values.